Dad, Max, breakfast time! Pancakes are ready!
Time to flip, you little guy. Perfect. Another delicious one.
Breakfast is ready! Come quickly, Max!
Time for breakfast.
Time for breakfast.
We are coming. Good morning, hon.
Morning, Mom. Wow.
Good morning.
Pancakes.
Amazing. Look at that.
I want to eat them all!
These are perfect. Nothing like pancakes on a Saturday morning.
Wow, these are amazing. Ooh, delicious.
More! Give me more! I'm so happy both you and Max like the pancakes.
I finished everything, Mom. I'm really full. Thank you. Can I go play outside now?
It seems like you forgot to drink your milk, right, Max? Your cup is still full.
Max, you should finish your glass of milk before you can go play.
I don't want to drink my milk. I want to go outside and play.
You need to drink your milk, honey. It's so good for you, and it will make you big and strong. Don't waste it.
No! I hate milk. I hate drinking milk. I will never drink milk again.
You better listen to me. Don't waste it. Drink the whole glass of milk before you go anywhere.
No!
Where are you going?
I hate milk, and I am going to...
Don't worry, I'll go up and talk to Max. Hey, Max, are you okay? Do you want to talk?
Leave me alone.
I know you're upset. I'm here if you want to tell me what's wrong.
Max, are you feeling unwell anywhere today?
I hate drinking milk. I don't want to drink milk.
Mom just wants what's best for you. You shouldn't be mad at her like that.
I feel sorry too, but I don't understand why we need to drink milk every day.
That's a good question, Max. I have an idea. I know exactly what we can do. We're going to visit Grandpa's farm.
Yes, I really want to see Grandpa.
I'll wait for you in the car. Hurry up.
Yes, I'll be ready right away. Got it.
Don't forget your things.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's get in. Are you ready yet?
I'm ready.
Let's start heading to the farm.
Oh, I hope Max learns a new lesson today.
Dad, look, that field is so vast.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Look at that cow. Wow.
What a beautiful day. That's just perfect. What? Wow. Oh my goodness.
Hi, Grandpa. We've come to visit you.
Hello, my dear grandson. Let me see how much you've grown.
Hello, Dad. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hello, David. I'm still doing well. You seem a bit thinner lately, don't you? Ha ha! How have things been in the city lately?
Thing is great.
Look, those pumpkins are so big.
Yes, we put a lot of effort into taking care of them.
Oh, what a cow. It looks so cute. Hello, my name is Max. What is your name?
It seems Max has just made a new friend.
From now on, I will call you Moo Moo. Let's be friends.
Dad, I want to ask you for a favor.
Look at them go.
He's so happy.
Don't worry. Max is a smart boy. I believe he'll figure it out soon. Max really looks like you when you were little. Thank you, Dad. Is everyone ready for a busy day at the farm?
We're ready.
Let's start a new day on the farm.
We will start a new day harvesting carrots.
Max, look at how big these carrots are.
Wow, these carrots are so big.
A bountiful harvest indeed. Ha ha.
Grandpa, can I feed this carrot to Moo Moo Cow? I'm sure he will like it very much.
Sure, honey. Cows love to eat carrots. Let me show you where they are.
Look, Grandpa, she sees the carrots.
Good girl. Here you go.
Look, Grandpa, she likes it.
Good job, son. Looks like you made a friend.
Yeah, she's happy.
Hey, guys. I think we need to go get some more water for the cows.
Ha ha! The water's here. Don't you worry.
But there are still many troughs completely out of water, Max. Give me a hand.
Yes, Dad, I'm ready. Let's fill up all the water troughs together.
Hope you're having a wonderful day.
Oh, yeah! We did it! Look at them, all full! Amazing! We're the best!
Look, everyone! The cows are actually coming to drink water. They are definitely having fun.
Yeah!
Here, Moo Moo, flowers for you.
Moo!
Where are you going? Moo Moo, why did you leave?
Ha ha! Maybe the weather is too hot. The cows will take a mud bath to cool down. Let's go take a shower for them.
Moo Moo, come here and take a bath.
Max, do you want to help me with a hand to bathe the cow, Moo Moo?
Yes, I very want to bathe the cow.
Here's the hose, son. Go to it.
Yay!
That's it. Keep going.
It's cool, and you really like bathing, right?
Our last task of the day is to prepare straw for the cow's barn. All right, everyone. Gather round and watch how it's done. I need all of you to give me a hand with this straw.
Wow, look at this. Yes, we are ready, and let's prepare straw for the cowshed together.
Surely the cows will love this delicious new straw. And this one too.
I'm preparing a straw bed for Moo Moo. He will definitely like it.
Look at this straw bed I prepared for you, Moo Moo. Do you like it? Moo!
I am very pleased that everyone helped prepare the cowshed today. Look around, all the cows are very happy. It's been a hard and productive day. Is everyone tired?
Indeed. A busy day? I feel very tired.
Max, today you have worked very hard and are very tired. Wait a minute, I will help you feel better.
Look at Grandpa.
Wow, he's milking a cow. That's so cool.
It's real milk.
Fresh and warm, little one. Come take a look.
Here it is. Everyone, let's see if the fresh milk is delicious. Ha ha!
That's good.
Ah, now that's some good milk.
Oh, this milk is just perfect. Absolutely delicious.
Ooh. Grandpa, I want to drink more milk, Ben. I didn't expect the milk to be so delicious. So milk makes me feel healthier. Thank you, Grandpa and Dad.
Haha, very happy because you have realized milk is very good for health. Max truly is a smart boy, haha. I will miss you very much. When you come home, remember to listen to your parents and drink lots of milk.
Okay, I will, Grandpa.
Thank you, Dad, for helping Max learn many new lessons today.
It was my pleasure, son.
Goodbye!
Bye, Grandpa.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, let's go home. Hi, Mom. Mommy.
Hello, dear.
Oh, good to be home. Mom, today I visited my grandfather's farm and learned many new things. Fantastic, son. I'm sorry for being angry with you, Mom. Grandpa taught me that I should drink milk as you told me.
I'm so very proud of you, Max. You learned a new lesson today.
Wow, that was the best milk ever. I feel so healthy, and I'm getting bigger and bigger. Everyone should drink milk together every day to have very much health.
Little friends, obey your parents. Drink milk from the happy dairy cows at the farm.
We are Max Story. Thank you for watching.
And see you again.